Hi, beautifuls. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing the set everybody loved to hate. Yes, that is going to be this set right here. So first, let's go ahead and start with this blue. I got it from Nail Reserve. I always tell y'all that I'm gonna link something and I never link anything but my storefront. So I will update the colors for the last couple of videos I did. But I am using blue again. Excuse the bell. Sia's sitting next to me while I am recording. But I am just doing the ring finger and the thumb, both that full, like a full layer of that, and then I am going to do 2 coats of this. I'm going to cure in between each coat, and then the rest of the nails, so my middle finger is not painted at all. I just went ahead and put base coat, and then my pinky and my index are going to be Frenchies, which I'm going to do right now. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you have not already. Turn that bell on. I currently got a reward and I reached what was it, 400,000 views, and I just feel so accomplished and happy. And also, this set everybody loves to hate. The reel got 37K, and that is the first time anything nail related of mine blew up like that. So I am very happy, even though it was just a short. It's okay because they drove a lot of you guys to my channel. I currently got an extra 100 subscribers, I believe, from that video. So thank you guys so much. Welcome to the family. You guys can add me on Instagram as SHAENAILEDITT with 2 T's. So I can, I am gonna get more active on there, but you guys can send me sets that you guys want me to recreate, any nail art, because remember I did say I'm starting a nail art series. So any nail art you guys want me to recreate, just go ahead and send it to me in my DMs. As far as the application on this is the same exact set from my Halloween set that I did, the very last one that I posted on Halloween. And all I did was just fill and reshape the nails, and that was it. So I was trying to get enough wear out of these before I was ready to take them off and remove them and just go in with a different shape. um I enjoyed this set so far. Well, this actual, like, this process, not the application process, but like the actual length and how good these tips look with polygel over them. These are full cover tips, you guys. These are full cover tips, and it's under the name Novo Duck Nails, I believe, on my Amazon storefront. It's in the nail finds. There's only one creation for all the nail stuff that I have, so go ahead and click on that link and you will find these tips. So I am going in with some base coat because I am going in with chrome powder. So I'm going in with this base coat first, and then I'm gonna go in with some 3D sculpting gel. These came in a kit of different colors, and it actually came with like little palettes for you to make little nail charms and stuff. But I am using clear, and so all I'm doing is just making really squiggly lines however I see fit. I am going to do this on all of the nails. Once I did this, I kind of realized that I should have only did maybe 2 nails, but they all came out cute to me. You know, a lot of people was talking a lot of trash, a lot of trash about these nails, I guess because of the shape. But honestly, like, duck nails are trending right now. Duck nails look good on my hands, and I can care less about what anybody got to say about the shape. Um, Not only is this my YouTube channel, I could post what I want, but I also have a lot of people that watch me that like duck nails. So if you do not, that's fine. I will get into other, other shapes, but right now I'm gonna do what's trending and what I like to do here and there. You know what I'm saying? Like, not all the time, but like here and there. I am going to make the executive decision because I do have to wear these nails, because sometimes I do them permanently, and I have to walk around with my nails like this. So even though they're always cute, I'm being a little cocky, they're always cute, it doesn't matter, you know. Um Before I keep rambling, I am adding the chrome powder, and how it's sticking is from the sticky tacky layer that you get after you cure in the lamp. You don't wipe your nails off or nothing. You go right in right after you cure with that chrome powder, and you will literally get the best application possible. When you put on your top coat, it's not going to move around. It's not gonna, it's not gonna go anywhere. As soon as you get done curing in the lamp, slap that chrome powder on. That's it. Don't wipe the sticky tacky layer off. You need it. You need it. So originally I was just going to do the middle and the ring finger, right? But I don't know why, but everything just seemed like it needed to be swirled out. So I just wanted a really textured set, and that's what we got. That's what it gave. But back to what I was saying, I do like duck nails. I actually love duck nails, especially on my hands. But I do know that there's other people watching me that don't like those type of like shapes. But this set, I mean, like this, not this set, but this channel is very universal. So like, I am gonna try different um nail shapes and stuff out. I do want to do some lipstick nails really, really bad. Um, I did some in the past, but I haven't did them again. So it's time to do some more. Anyway, before we keep having this conversation, I am going in with pearls. So the pearls will be blue, pink, and like a regular pearl color. And I'm going in with some thick charms as well. Would be a moon and a star. I was gonna add like a planet or something, but I don't know. It was not working out. But before we even get into the application of that, I am adding a good layer of top coat. I am going to go ahead and clean up the side walls and all of that before curing in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then we're going to go ahead and go in with those stones and those pearls, and then wrap up this set. It's a pretty short, self-explanatory. It didn't even take me that long to do this set. Actually, I think it only took me like an hour 30 minutes. So probably not even that. Well, it did take me like an hour and 30 minutes because I still have to pull out all of my stuff and figure out what I want to do before I start recording. And I know that I should be doing that before I start recording, like, a day or two before I start recording, which I'm going to start doing. But I didn't do that for this set. So if I had, it probably only would have took like 45 minutes for me to do this set. Maybe less. Definitely, probably, maybe less. A lot of my footage was of me like rambling, trying to find stuff, rumbling through stuff, taking a break, bathroom break, stuff like that. So yeah, it probably would have been like a good 30, 45 minutes. Anyways, yeah, I just want everyone to be able to find something on my channel. And so I know that I have to get away from doing what I like to do all the time and just do stuff that you guys want to see, that you guys need to see, that you guys need to know, like stuff that I learned along the way and stuff that I'm learning now, stuff that's helpful for me. Like, I want to do that more. So if you do see a lot of different stuff that I post is not like how I used to post, then that's why. I'm trying to evolve. And also, you guys, let's talk about my toe. If you have seen my reel of my toe, I bumped my toe running up the stairs. I bumped my toe running up the stairs. I was skipping stairs at that. And as soon as I got to maybe the second to last step, I literally ran my foot into the stair. So, and that was a fresh set. That was the previous Frenchie set that I had on my toes. And it went through a whole lot. Like, it turned purple. It was like bloody and purple at first. And then it went from that. And then it had pus coming out. I was able to get all the pus out. And then it started feeling like a week or two later, not even a week or two later, like a week later, it started feeling really loose. Like I was able to press on it and stuff, and it just felt like it was not secure. And then like when I would get in the shower or like soak my feet or anything in the bath, water would still be coming out of my toe, like my toe, like underneath my toenail. So I knew that my toenail was going to eventually fall off. But guess what? Content still needed to be made. And I did not want to walk around with no toenail, like, no cute toes. And how my toe felt, that polygel was like a barrier for me. It was like a protector for my toe. So, I know it was eventually going to grow off. Luckily, there is a toenail growing back already, so I'm really really happy about that. I did just add top coat, cured in the lamp, added some cuticle oil, and boom, here we go. This set right here, yeah, I liked this set. I'm actually turning this set into press-ons. So if you guys have any requests and want to request this set, go ahead and request this set. It doesn't have to be duck nails. It could be any shape that you want. I got stiletto. I got square. Da 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 da. Whatever you guys want. This set is available for you to book. Not book, but request if you want to get it. I will make it for you. We can talk about it. Just go ahead and DM me on Instagram. And here's those angles. I am going to add a clip of me adding some cuticle oil and all of that good stuff too. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn that bell on so you won't miss the next time I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Kisses, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys, and enjoy these angles.